where you can access the services, right? So cloud computing means a kind of a network where a group of systems are connected, and in that you are running your applications. Running the application means your softwares. So company, what they do, they deploy, means they make their project available on the cloud, on the server, through which we can able to access it. So in easy term, I am explaining you what is cloud computing. So before that, you have to understand what is cloud. So cloud is a network, and computing means how you can using this virtual network to deploy application, to run your application, to establish the infrastructure. There are various cloud available in the market. We're going to see that, like Google Cloud, Amazon, AWS, Azure Cloud, IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud. So we have a lot of clouds are there, cloud services. They are called as the cloud vendor. So what do you mean by cloud computing? Actually, what actually the whole scenario here? Let me show you.